Okay, so I did my presentation on seeing spectra through new technology. So I found an article by CNN. NASA reveals Webb telescopes uh, new images of stars, galaxies, and exoplanet. And here's the link to the article. So the James Webb Telescope, after waiting for decades, the world's most powerful telescope has taken its first photos. President Joe Biden released one of Webb's first images on Monday, and it is the deepest and sharpest infrared image of the distant universe to date, according to NASA. The rest of the high resolution color images made their debut on Tuesday. So visible to the human eye, light visible to the human eye, infrared light, which isn't visible to the human eye, is picked up by this telescope. Webb plans to look into the atmosphere to try to find habitable atmospheres. The cluster shown in the first picture taken through the new technologies is believed to be roughly 4.6 billion years old. So more about the first image. It shows SMACS 0723. The image of that is the deepest and sharpest infrared image of a distant universe to date, according to NASA. Some of these clusters that this telescope took pictures of have never been seen before. And the image taken by the near infrared camera is composed of images taken of different wavelengths over a 12.5 hour time period. Here's a picture of what the telescope captured. This is the first image taken by the by Webb's new telescope. So the WASP 96b, Webb showed that the giant gas planet is the most detailed spectrum. This is another one that he took pictures of through the telescope. This one was released second. The other one was released on Monday. This one was released Tuesday. The planet's spectrum includes different wavelengths of light that shows different things than we've ever seen before in the atmosphere. So this one was originally discovered in 2014. It's located about 1,150 light years away from Earth. And it completes an orbit of its star every 3.4 days and is roughly half the size of Jupiter. So going towards the future with this telescope, Webb is able to analyze the atmosphere many light years away. This shows that Webb is barely scratching the surface of what he's going to be able to do in the future for discovering habitable atmospheres. I think it's just the start. The universe has always been out there, said Jane Rigby, Webb's operations project scientist at NASA's. We just had to build a telescope to go see what was there. Yeah, very similar feeling of maybe people in a broken world managing to do something right and see some of the majesty that is out there. So I think this is a step in the right direction for our future. It's showing that technology is evolving, and it's one step closer to exploring space that we've never seen before.